Hi, this is April 1st, and this is the market outlook for the week. As you have seen, there's no real change. The market is still grinding up after passing the 2010, 2020 and bumping on to 2860, 70. It looks like it's grinding up again. There is a short signal here, so it could be, of course, an attempt to go for maybe 2890 and then reverse. That said, the short signals, this one was a weak one. This is actually a pretty strong one. The short signals have been kind of quashed in this grinding market. But again, as we see, the strong ones have been pertinent in the past, most of the time. So let's hope that it will pan out. Although it may be again some time of hesitation before it actually materializes. If we look at the hourly chart on SPX, we are now definitely above the mid-range pivot area on 2810, and it could again, as we can see, go for the 2890 with a stall level maybe around 2870. So I assume the market will try and reach at least 2850, 2860 again. If we look at the futures this morning, we are up 17 points, so we are definitely already bumping at the recent high area around 2860. Strong buy on Friday, good looking gap last night when futures markets reopened. VIX, as you can see, is going down. The VIX futures are around 15, so it's not too weak, and we will see in the weekly recap that this volatility still allows us for effective adjustment if and when necessary. So if we go back to this is again a grinding up market, probably going to try and test 2860. Looking at the futures, it's already there. May try and go higher, but the longer term outlook points for some profit taking and consolidation. No real reversal as yet. So if we go back to the daily chart, the strong supports are, if we look at the short-term pattern, we have probably a lot of support around 2810. Incidentally, that same pivot pattern on the 1-hour chart, and it could go down to 2790, 2775. Now, if the reversal materializes over the next few weeks, we have good support again around 2740, but most probably around 2665, which is at this point a very strong support. If we look at the Russell may not be as bullish. It will be bumping on the 1495, 1500 as a strong support. So it may go and aim again at what, 1590, maybe 1600. But we will see whether there is reversal potential. I would say that at this point we don't have a sell signal, and it may just congest between 1500 and 1600, and with SPX bullish bias at first.